This video will walk through how to set a location on the task level. For more information about how to configure locations, go to the location add-on and configure these changes here. You can see you can enable coordinates. All of this is explained in the location add-on configuration video found on the PI YouTube channel. So you can see I've enabled locations on a task. So now if I go to one of my tasks here, I can select which location I want on the specific task. You'll notice that on the task level there is in gray here industrial complex, which if I go to my locations add-on is one of the locations available to choose from. The reason why it's showing in here even though I haven't actually selected one, and if I go back to my task display options it will actually show the address of the industrial complex, and if I click on it it will take me to the location in the Google Maps. The reason why it's showing this location even though it's not selected is if I actually go to the project itself and I take a look at which location is chosen, you'll see that I actually don't have a location chosen on this project. So then if I go to the company that this project is associated to, you can find that the company that project is associated to is Megacorp, which if I edit this one, you'll see that industrial complex is the location selected for that company. So that means that since there is not a location chosen on my project or on my task, the industrial complex is going to be the default location for my task that you can see here. I can still, of course, select the location on my task as maybe a different location, or I can add a new location by hitting that button here. After saving that, I've got my new location. I can always set what location these are with this specific address and city in the add-on. Now that I've done that, I go back to my task list. From here I can go to the display options on the task and include what location each of these tasks are taking place on. You can see as a default these are all industrial complex because they've not been specified on the task level but on the company level, as it's taking the default from there. You can see this task and this task down here both have ones chosen on the task level, library and skyscraper. And I can also always report on these this information whether on the project or task or even company level by using the Project Insight reporting. For more information about how to set locations on projects and companies or to configure the locations add-on, please check out our videos in the PI YouTube channel.